Hit gravel road in Portland. Yay, baby. Woo! 5 freeway. What's going on, everybody? Oregon motorcycle. No, I'm not locked behind a chain link fence looking at the 5. Boom. I'm out here riding my bike today. Beautiful Portland. I like that center stand. Let's go for a cruise and talk about some things. Yeah. Woo! Little cycle cruise action for you right there. What's going on, everybody? Oregon Motorcycle back today, bringing you another wonderful episode from Oregon on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Today's Thursday. I don't know what the date is. I don't know. It's August something. It really doesn't matter. A couple things I'm really excited about that I'm going to be talking to you guys about today, and some things that are going to be exciting for you guys too, which is the main topic of today's video. You guys know that I'm trying to hit that 6,000 subscriber mark by the end of this year, 2020. So you know, I need all you guys to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Helps the videos do better. And I was thinking right now, like before I started shooting the video, I was like I sound like a broken record. So here's the deal, guys. Like, if we hit the goal early, maybe we'll hit it in November, maybe, I don't know. Maybe we'll hit it next month. Who knows? When I hit that goal, I'm not gonna ask for any more subscribers for the rest of the year in 2020. So I don't know, there's that. Something to look forward to. What I'm looking forward to, and it's like on my mind, like it's all I'm thinking about right now, is my camping trip this weekend. I am so excited. I'm headed out Saturday morning, early Saturday morning, and I'm gonna rendezvous with my buddy Joe on his V-Strom, which you guys seen in the video I just posted, which you guys, it's blowing me away. I don't know, it's so weird sometimes, you guys, when I do a video and sometimes I think, oh man, this video is gonna do really good, and then it flops. And I've talked about this before. And then other videos I'm kind of like, this video is gonna flop, and then it does really good. And then, like, the video I posted yesterday, it's a good video, don't get me wrong, but I was just like, meh, you know, it's just gonna be a normal typical video. And you guys, it's #1. It took off right out of the gates, and it stayed at the top at #1. So it's my most popular video to date, which is just, these are gnarly railroad tracks, man, which is just like mind-boggling. I mean, it's a good video, but geez, you guys are eating that one up, so that's cool. If you guys haven't seen it yet, you best go check it out. It's right here, posted up in the top. Yeah, just an awesome day. So, and you know, I'm working on my video from Sunday, which is looking pretty good. I have over 3 hours, I think it's like more like 3.5 hours of footage to go through, and I'm about 20-25 minutes into that video. Got a rough cut of it done, and I still have like 2.5 hours of video to go through. So I don't know, guys, I was hoping to have it posted tomorrow morning, but I don't know. Let's keep our fingers crossed for Saturday. If not, it's gonna be next week, because I'm gonna be gone all weekend. So anyway, that's gonna be an epic video. That video is this bike and my buddy on his 390 Adventure, and we're out tearing it up at Brown's Camp, running with some dual sports. And so yeah, it should be pretty awesome. So yeah, you guys, you know, I mentioned in some of my other videos that I get asked, you know, a lot. People want to ride with me, they want to do this, they want to do that, and a lot of that never happens. And it's not because like I'm blowing you guys off. It just has to do with my crazy wild schedule, which is I don't have a schedule. So like I'm shooting from the hip like almost 24/7, and you know, I don't know, guys, it's just hard to explain. I may wake up one morning and be like, oh, okay, for instance, last Saturday morning I woke up and I was like, well, I don't have anything planned. You know, I know I'm gonna ride, but you know, and then what transpired that day? Oh, my buddy, you know, that lives an hour away, he ended up riding up to my house, and we and we took off and just had an epic day together. You know, that was not planned. So, and that's how most of my stuff goes. Now, you know, sometimes my buddy, you know, we may talk about it a day or two before and be like, hey, let's go here, let's do this. And then it's like, I'm put in this position, that guy needs to be in the sun. What up, partner? It's kind of hard to see you in the shade.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. You don't want to stay in the sun, I don't blame him. Oh, where was I? Totally lost my train of thought. Okay, so it's like when we do make a plan that might be a day or two in advance, then I scramble sometimes. I'm like, oh, I know this guy wanted to go, I know this guy wanted to go. And then, you know, it's like, and then I gotta dig through names, and I'm terrible with names. And it's like, oh, what about this guy? He said he wanted to go, and this guy. And then, you know, it's just like, you know, screw all that. It's just not gonna happen, guys. I'm trying, you know, I have a big circle of friends, and then, you know, I have all my viewers that want to come along. It's just, you guys, it's impossible to do. Okay, so this is what I'm doing for you guys. Okay, for all you guys that want to ride with me, it's time. We're gonna ride. Okay, and what I'm doing today is the official announcement. I'm starting my own group ride. It's going to be a ride every week, and it's a ride that could eventually possibly evolve into something more. Not 100% yet on how exactly all it's going to work out, but I'm here to announce to you guys today that I am officially starting the Oregon Motorcycle Group Ride, and it's going to be a standing ride, which means it's going to happen every week. So, and we're going to do this until the seasons start to change. So, you know, for sure this year there will be no riding in the rain. I'm not even going to attempt to do that. I don't know where I'm going again. I think I got to make a right here. I'm just blabbing on. No? Oh, I don't know. Kitty, kitty. So yeah, no riding in the rain, and no dirt riding at this point in time. But we have discussed that. I got a buddy that's going to be helping me with this. He's going to kind of be my official sweeper. You know, somebody that I can trust to look out for you guys and to help, you know, with the ride. So basically, guys, what we're doing is this is going to be a group ride for everybody. So it doesn't matter what you ride, what your skill level is. You know, if you think you suck or you think you're really, really good, it's none of that is going to matter. We're all going to come out and just have a good time and have a group ride. It's going to be a mellow pace. It's not going to be anything like you guys have seen in my other group ride videos. Those get a little hectic sometimes, and you know, we push the limits sometimes. And I would never try to invite some of the newer riders that watch my channel into that kind of atmosphere. And but there's a part of me in the back of my head that's going, well, man, if they could be involved in the atmosphere, I know that their skills would drastically improve, because I know from firsthand experience. Okay, and like I said before in my other videos, you know, that okay, so this is not going through unless we send it. Huh, I guess I got to turn around. You know, I've mentioned in my other videos, you know, a lot of riders out there, they just will not go to a group ride because of the dangers associated with it and the chaos, and some of them are crazy and reckless. I mean, just look at some of the max risk group rides. I mean, it's wild. People getting hauled off in helicopters and stuff. We're not having that on my ride. Or, you know, I can't predict the future, but I don't want any of that stuff on my ride. And I want everybody to have a good time, be safe, and you know, get to meet new riders and stuff. So this is how we're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna start on Wednesdays. So for the remainder of this season, this year, it'll be on Wednesday, and that may or may not be adjusted next year. We're just gonna see. There's only a couple months left of riding in this season, to where it's, you know, it's dry riding conditions. So I mean, honestly, we're looking at, you know, a handful of group rides for the rest of this year, and just this will be a good time to see how it'll all work and everything. So so yeah, for the time being, it's going to be on a Wednesday ride. Sorry, West Siders, I'm not trying to step on your toes. The West Side ride, you guys, is an advanced ride, and this is, you know, at an advanced level, and this is, you know, we're not doing that on this ride. So if you guys, any of you guys from the West Side that are watching this video, and you guys have some riders in mind that would be interested in group rides but not at that West Sider level, send them my way, because we'll gladly accept them. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be doing, basically it's gonna be a, what the, oh, I can go through here. So it's gonna be, is this gonna be another dead end? It's gonna be like a remake of the Thursday ride. It's gonna have the same meeting place at the same time, just on a different day, and it's gonna be on a lot of the same routes that we do on the Thursday ride, which is gonna be trail access ahead, no trail access from top of hill. There's a trail? Where? Probably a hiking trail. Oh, we hit gravel road in Portland. Yay, baby. Woo! All right, sorry guys, I just have too much fun when I get off road lately. So yeah, it's going to be modeled after the Thursday East Sider ride, and but it's just going to be at a much mellower pace, and we're gonna, we'll try to just do everything nicely and kindly and obey all the traffic laws, and just, I'm trying to get I want to get some of you guys out. I know a lot of you guys want to ride with me and meet me, like I said, and you guys can get out and watch me and my buddies ride and ride with us, and hopefully increase your skill level by participating in these group rides, and hopefully meet new friends and new riders. It doesn't have to be about me. You guys, I've seen it before already, where I've invited people to some of my rides, and then they hit it off with one of my friends, and then the next thing you know, they're texting each other, and I'm like, oh, like so and so, oh yeah, they're coming over to my house tonight. I'm like, oh, sweet, dude. It's like, it's awesome. Not everybody's compatible, and some people are compatible better with other people. So like I said, it's just not about me. You guys may meet some good friends. I've met some really good people in the motorcycle community, and so this is a chance to expose yourself to that. So there you go. So the official times, of course, it's Wednesday night. It's going to be at the Red Barn car wash in Oregon City. We're going to meet at 5:30, and I'll post the actual address down below in the description in case you guys don't know where that's at. We meet at 5:30. We can congregate there, and kickstand's up at 6 o'clock, so you need to be there at 6 o'clock. That's when we'll be rolling out. And if some of you guys, you get caught up, or stuff happens or whatever, just shoot us a text or something or whatever, and let us know, and we'll be more than happy to wait an extra 5 minutes for you if that's the case. And yeah, like I said, it's just gonna be a mellow ride through Oregon City. You guys will be able to ride on the roads that we do on our group rides at a mellower pace, and you guys will be able to discover some of these roads. So some of these roads that we ride, I've lived in Oregon City for years, and I never knew that they were there. And I used to own a sports car, and I would go out looking for these roads, and I was like, man, if I had the knowledge of these roads back then when I owned a sports car, woo. But so yeah, you guys are going to be exposed to some nice riding, and staff, I know where I'm at now. And yeah, so it should be a win-win for everybody. Like I said, it's a chance for people to meet new riders, and it's a chance for you to improve your skills, meet me. It's a chance for me to meet new riders, and start my own ride and see how this goes. And I think it'll be a cool deal. And like I said, yeah, we're just going to do it for the remainder of this season and see how it goes, and see what we can do to make it better and more enjoyable for everybody, and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested in participating, let me know in the comments below. It's a for sure go, so get your stuff ready, guys, and come on out and ride with us. Oh, I don't know where to go. Dang it, I think I was supposed to go there. Oh my gosh. So hey guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I gotta get home, I gotta edit. Like I said, I got tons of stuff to edit, and I'm trying to get out there. I got this like long-term plan that I've been coming up with for the past week that has to do with my editing and my YouTubing and all that stuff too, that hopefully you guys will start seeing towards the end of this year and into next year. And I'm making long-term plans for this YouTube channel, which is a good thing, I guess, because like I've said, some of you guys know I've had YouTube channels. I've got a handful of them, and this one I'm really putting a lot of effort into, and trying to shape some things and trying to plan for the future. So hopefully that benefits all of us, and hopefully this time next year I'll be bringing you guys some banger content. like I said, I have these ideas and these plans to accomplish that, guys. So I guess this is where I sign out. So until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle. I'll do an 1/8 of the Huckleberry diesel. Yeah, have a good one. You too.
Two green, two red.
Fuck's my key.